Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to change environment settings on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin. So, we want to first of all expand the notifications, or in other words settings. Then we want to head into receiver settings. And now we want to scroll almost all the way down. Well, actually it's all the way not down, but all the way right. Let's click the environment, and now we have some information. If indoors is selected, their wireless frequency bounds will be available, and make sure to blah 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 blah. Basically, if you are indoors, you want to select indoors, and if you're recording outdoors, you want to record outdoors. So let's go into OK, which is very hard to click for some reason. And now you can choose between indoors and outdoors. You can also scroll right, and you can make sure to enable always ask when power on if you tend to record in very different places. Thanks to this, of course thanks to being this, you can now fully customize the environment without going through this tedious task of entering the settings and then changing it once again. But because I'm always recording in indoors, I'm just going to stay with indoors. And that's all for this video. If you found this useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.